Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to force restart iPhone 6s Plus. If you're using an iPhone 6s Plus and now you want to make a force restart of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you have to follow a simple trick, which is you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo won't be shown. Here you can see that my phone screen has been fully blacked, and after that the Apple logo will be shown. Here's that. Now you have to put your phone, and after that you have made a force restart your phone. So that's how you can make a force restart of your iPhone S6 Plus. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.